I wanna I wanna thank I wanna thank Elon Musk for putting a chip in my brain. I didn't have much in life before the chip. I was down on my luck. I couldn't use my middle finger. I was, and now I could use my chip to use my middle finger. But and also the chip from Elon Musk has also given me new things. I I can dream when I'm awake. It's what's called a daydream. I never could do that before. So I'm getting a little choked up. My life wasn't worth nothing before that chip, but it didn't come without a heavy price. I lost friends and family and people who thought I was mad. I saved up all my money and my children's savings and my wife's savings to pay for that chip. They thought it was a vanity project. Well, where are they now? Well, she's married to somebody else. His name's Hefty, one of those big burly men with a beard. I don't care. One of the things that the chip has done for me is put me into a better psychological position. Before, if I had a wife or a girlfriend and they slept with a large lumberjack man, my emotions would get very troublesome. With the chip, I don't care. I don't care how I'm perceived by others or what others do to me. Some people go to Buddha school for 1,200 years to get to this place. I got there with the flick of a thumb, finger, hand, by having a chip. So before you mock people and laugh at them and say, where are you going to be, a cyborg? You just stand true to your tall and to your principles and say to them, he who points first laughs last. Thank you. I'm glad I had this chance to share this information tool. I see that one.